Logistics firm Flux Logistics has been engulfed by fire with several property destroyed. The fire affected the company's warehouse located on Sapara Street off Oba Accra Avenue, Ikeja, where Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service is battling to contain it. The fire, which was reported on Sunday, involved finished distilled volatile products, which are ethanol in chemical compound and stored in combustible bottles with a large expanse of warehouse block. Director Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service Adeshaya Margaret said Lagos fire crews from Ikeja, Alausa and Bolade battled to put out the fire, assuring that everything is being done to ensure the fire does not spread beyond the premises of the store. Also, the National Emergency Management Agency NEMA, through its Lagos Territorial Office, confirmed the fire. Ibrahim Farinloye, who is the state coordinator of NEMA Territorial Office, said the fire has consumed the whole company, which warehoused imported drinks and few foreign materials. NEMA urged all Nigerians to be cautious of the delicate season that can lead to immense losses as a result of negligence or unsafe practices. Farinloye said that damp the scene is ongoing.